Okay, today we are doing the multiples of 10, and I was running out of colors, so I decided to go with neon yellow. It kind of looks like neon green, doesn't it? Okay, so let's get started. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the first multiple of 10. Okay, let's do the next one together. We'll start on 10 and count another multiple. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's circle it. All right, I'll wait here on 20 and you count another multiple of 10. And go ahead and pause the video. Go. Okay, let's see where you landed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so you get to continue with the rest of the multiples of 10. And when you get to the end, remember, go back and read the multiples. So far we have 10, 20, 30. Okay, and we'll keep this with our other multiples pages, and I'll show you how to check your work when you're all done. All right, see you next time.